Hello. Today you can see on the right some of the pictures that I have done in my professional field of photography. In my experience, photography is a fun and interesting activity that I think, in my personal opinion, anyone can do with just a little bit of practice and experience. The best time to take photos would be during the golden hours between when the sun is about to rise or when the sun is about to set. The sun is a huge issue when it comes to taking pictures because shadows and lighting. Also, I find that the best type of camera to use is a Nikon. This was a system that I particularly like. I have a Nikon 1500 DSLR, and that basically means that it's on a high-end scale. It has interchangeable end pieces, and it is, in my opinion, been a great tool for my career so far, and is something I just really enjoy. Some of the photos you can see are some of the plants or landscapes that I really like. Sometimes I like to take close shots, like the one on the right, and far shots, like the one on the left. Photography has always been a part of my life, and I hope this web page will help you become interested and inspired like I am. Thank you and have a great day.